I mentioned in an earlier video that if you have Windows 10 Home, that you will not have the functionality that you need to do several things in courses, and same is true, several things in the workplace. Group policy, for example, or I should say local group policy, is one of those. Joining a domain is another. So you might want to upgrade your Windows 10 edition, so say from Home to Pro, or from Pro to Enterprise, and so on. Now, Enterprise, of course, you can't get directly from Microsoft. You have to be a business to do that because it uses a volume license methodology. But if you wanted to go to Pro, you would simply go from Home to Pro by buying the Pro, and I think it's about $99 last I knew, to go from Home to Pro. And you would buy that through the Microsoft Store. I'm going to go down here to the search box, and I'm just going to type Store and open the Microsoft Store. And now it will not show on mine because I'm already a Windows Pro. So I'm just going to type Windows Pro here, and what you see is something called Windows 10 Pro for Workstations, and that's $125. And down here you can see the difference between Pro and Workstation, and there's some functionality that's been added to this Workstation edition, which we did not list as one of the editions. It's actually something fairly new, and I did mention that Microsoft has been adding new editions for different uses, but it has a few things that Pro does not have. In other words, it makes it look more like an enterprise version. It does not show on mine because I'm already running Pro, but there would be a Pro option for, I think, $99 that you could go from Home to Pro. And all that's really involved in doing that is you would go here to the Start menu and then up to the Settings button. And then from Settings, well, let's go back to Home. From Settings, you would go to Update and Security, and then down here to Activation. And you'll see a Change Product Key. Once you purchase that, you'll get a product key, and you hit Change Product Key, put in the new key, and it will update or upgrade automatically.